In this video, I'll show you how to set up Shopify Payments payouts. Start by signing into your Shopify admin dashboard. Next, go to Settings, then click Payments. After that, locate the Shopify Payments section. If you haven't activated Shopify Payments yet, click Complete Account Setup or activate Shopify Payments and follow the required verification steps. Now, once Shopify Payments is active, click Manage in the Shopify Payments section. Next, scroll to the Payout Details section and click Edit if you need to update your payout information. After that, enter your business bank account details, including the account holder name, routing number, and account number, depending on your country. Now review your payout schedule. You can view how often payouts are sent to your bank account based on your region and Shopify's payout schedule. Next, save your changes and make sure all required business and identity verification information has been completed. After that, wait for Shopify to verify your banking information if additional verification is required. Finally, monitor your payouts by going to Settings, Payments, and then viewing the Payouts section, where you can track upcoming and completed transfers to your bank account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Shopify Payments payouts. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.